If SketchUp is crashing and you keep seeing an error report or BugSplat message, this video will show you the fastest ways to troubleshoot it, recover your work, and reduce the chance of the crash happening again. We'll cover file recovery, reinstalling SketchUp properly, disabling extensions, checking your graphics settings, and even what to include in the error report so Trimble can actually investigate the problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick SketchUp fixes and how-to guides. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why this happens. SketchUp error reports usually appear when the software crashes, and those crashes are often caused by a faulty extension, an outdated graphics driver, or a model with too much heavy geometry. So instead of guessing, you want to work through the most likely causes one by one. The first thing to check is whether you can recover your work. If SketchUp crashes, it often creates a backup file. On Windows, this is usually a .skb file, and on Mac, it may be a .skp backup file. Open the folder where your project was saved and look for that backup version. Once you find it, rename the file extension from .skb to .stskp, or make sure the backup is saved as a .sk file so SketchUp can open it normally. This is one of the quickest ways to get your work back after a crash. Next, if SketchUp keeps crashing repeatedly, try repairing the installation. Download a fresh installer from the official SketchUp website, then right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. Even if SketchUp is already installed, running a clean installer this way can refresh damaged program files and fix issues caused by a bad installation. After that, test whether extensions are the cause. Faulty plugins are a very common reason for SketchUp instability. To check this, temporarily move all the files out of your plugins folder. Don't delete them yet, just move them somewhere safe so SketchUp can launch without extensions loaded. Then reopen SketchUp and see if the crashes stop. If SketchUp becomes stable after removing the plugins, you've likely found the problem. From there, you can add the extensions back one at a time to identify which one is causing the issue. Now let's check your graphics settings because graphics problems can also trigger crashes and error reports. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA control panel and set SketchUp to use the high-performance NVIDIA processor. This makes sure SketchUp is using the stronger graphics option instead of switching to a weaker setting that may cause instability. If you haven't updated your graphics drivers in a while, that's also a smart thing to do, because outdated drivers can absolutely cause BugSplat errors. Another important step is what you write in the error report itself. When the error dialog box appears, use the description field to explain exactly what you were doing right before SketchUp crashed. The more specific you are, the better. Include the steps to reproduce the crash, what file was open, what tool you clicked, and whether it happened after opening a certain component, extension, or model. That information helps developers reproduce the issue and understand the root cause much faster. If your problem is specifically related to 3D Warehouse, SketchUp recommends reporting those errors to the SketchUp community, where other users and the moderators may already have seen the same issue. That can be especially helpful if the crash happens only when searching, downloading, or loading assets from 3D Warehouse. So to recap, if you get a SketchUp error report, first recover your file from the backup, then repair the installation, disable extensions, check your GPU settings, and give detailed crash steps in the error report. These simple fixes solve a lot of common SketchUp crash issues without needing a full reset. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more SketchUp troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.